Unlock the secret to business growth with Get and Keep Customers, your ultimate guide to attracting and retaining loyal clients, now available for just $9.99. This powerful ebook is packed with proven strategies to help you grow your customer base, build lasting relationships, and boost your sales. Whether you're a small business owner or an entrepreneur, you'll find easy-to-follow techniques that deliver real results fast. If you order Day Trading Stocks, A Path to Financial Freedom today for $49, you'll also receive 21 financial books free, valued at over $200, to help build wealth for your family and business. Visit wmfinancialinfo.com and get your copy of Get and Keep Customers today, the key to lasting business success. Follow our page and subscribe for more expert business guides, marketing tips, and financial resources, only on wmfinancialinfo.com.